Ronaldo, first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram, shares video. Juventus and Portugal forward Cristiano Ronaldo has become the first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram. Monsieur, the five-time Ballon d'Or winner, is the only sportsperson among the top 5 most followed persons on the platform. Monsieur Ronaldo's rival Lionel Messi is 7th on the list with 141 million followers. Ronaldo shared a video of his Instagram journey and thanked fans. Work from home even after Lunar New Year holidays end. China firms tell staff Chinese companies including Alibaba and Tencent have asked employees to work from home for 1 week after a Lunar New Year break ends. China has extended the week-long Lunar New Year holiday by 3 days to February 2 to contain the coronavirus. TikTok owner ByteDance's employees who traveled during the holidays are required to work from home for 14 days. Google to temporarily shut down all offices in China amid coronavirus outbreak. Google said on Wednesday that it is temporarily shutting down all its offices in China due to the coronavirus outbreak in the country. The shutdown includes all offices in mainland China, Hong Kong and Taiwan. Google has also placed temporary business travel restrictions on employees flying to mainland China and Hong Kong. Elon Musk earns $2.3 billion in 1 hour after rise in Tesla shares. Elon Musk earned $2.3 billion in a span of just 1 hour, increasing his fortune to about $36 billion, as Tesla's shares grew 12% to $649. Following fourth quarter results, Tesla posted $105 million in net profit in the fourth quarter and earned $7.38 billion in revenue. Notably, Tesla hit a market capitalization of $100 billion last week. Xiaomi calls rival Realme a copycat brand. Realme CEO responds after Xiaomi India MD Manu Kumar Jain and Poco India General Manager Seeman Mohan called their rival Realme a copycat brand. Realme CEO Madhav Sheth responded on Tuesday, "A real innovative brand and market leader won't behave like that. Basic dignity and ethics should be maintained no matter how insecure you are of your competitors' growth," Sheth said.